She accepted a normal Uber job. Minutes later, she was shot dead because of a scam she did not even know about. Her name was Lolitha Toland Hall. She was 61 years old and working as an Uber driver in Ohio, USA. One day, she got a job request through Uber. She was told to go to a house and collect a package. At the same time, the man living at that house was getting scam phone calls. The scammer was telling the man that his relative was in trouble and that he needed to pay $12,000. The scammer then told the man that someone would come to his house to collect the money. The man's name is William J. Brock, an 83-year-old. Lolitha did not know anything about the scam. She was just doing her job. When she arrived at the house, the man thought she was part of the scam. He confronted her with a gun. She tried to explain that she was just there for a delivery, but he shot her, not once, 6 times. Lolitha was unarmed, she was innocent, and she was also a victim of the same scammers. Later, she died from her injuries. William J. Brock has been found guilty of murder, and he's been sentenced to 21 years to life in prison. Lolitha was backing away and she said she knew nothing, and she did cry for help. William Brock could have simply called the police.